www.gibsontruckworld.com 2011 Chevy Silverado 2500 LTZ71 Crew Cab Duramax Diesel 4-wheel drive. Do not make a $3K plus mistake. Before you buy a used truck, demand to see shop bills, and have the truck inspected by a third party. Under factory warranty through 4/27/16. Riding on a nice set of Michelin's, power seating, power sliding rear window, CD player with O-line Z71 off-road package, OnStar, tilt steering, cruise control, keyless entry, alarm, towing package, power windows, power mirrors and power door locks. Gibson is the only dealer that gives a real free 12-month bumper-to-bumper warranty valid across the United States, 12 months free maintenance, $1,000 value. From our 23-bay service department and our exclusive 15-day return policy. It sounds too good to be true, but it is true. We